Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to uninstall and reinstall camera app in Windows 10. Type PowerShell in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Copy command from description and paste it. Click Start, Windows Store. Type Windows Camera. Click Get and Install. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.